Hey, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. Guys, I'm going to talk to you about something that I get questions about every single day. Gas line sizing and BTUs. Here you go. So, fellers, ladies and gentlemen, this is the $1 million question. Do I have enough gas? The answer that I can give is I don't know. Right? The only way to best determine if you have enough fuel, natural gas or propane, is to contact a local authority that does that. Propane guy, HVAC, plumber, whoever is best equipped to do that. The reason why is because every single fire pit is different. Every fuel line is different. Every run is different. Now, if you have not built yet and you are anticipating all this and planning a fire feature, awesome. Good for you, man. Go big. Right? Go bigger and make sure that you let your plumber know how many BTUs you are potentially looking for. If you have already run your gas line and you are retrofitting an existing baby flame stainless steel ring and you're trying to upsize to one of our amazing, incredible, life-changing burners, you may run into an issue in that you do not have adequate fuel supply, right? That's the truth. Now, before you call and pick up the phone and say, Jonathan, here's my run. Do I have enough gas? Here's the BTUs that I'm looking for. I want this burner. Is it enough? My answer, unfortunately, guys, has to be, I don't know. Right? So I have to default to your local guys to give you somewhat of an accurate answer. All right, so I hope that answers your question. It's answering your question with more questions, and that is, have you checked with a local guy? So thank you, as usual, for all of the calls, emails, orders, especially MontanaFirePits.com, Instagram, YouTube, now Pinterest. Take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace out. See ya.